Like what is happening exactly when there is a SQL injection attack?
This is simple attack. It's one of those attacks. Every injection is actually when you are able to put a query in place of data. So the application is expecting data. Just suppose you need to buy a basket, and that basket you want 5 quantities for the basket, right? Now of a certain kind of basket, and then that query, so essentially it will take your data, it will form a query so that it can query the database and show you that catalog, right? उसके बाद क्या होता है कि instead of putting the data, the attacker is now putting the query itself.
Okay.
Now when they put the SQL query, it gets concatenated with the query that they are forming inside. Okay, and in which case what the attacker tries to do is, suppose apna pura query, you put the whole query in there and then you end that query. Many times, typically, traditionally, when you look at SQL injection explanations, they will tell you, okay, you write your query, you end the query, so that everything else that the application itself is trying to add in the query ends.
Yeah.
And it actually follows what you have put in rather than what it was trying to create, right? So that's where the SQL injection happens, because you have injected now a SQL query.